Research Rocks. Today I purchased the iPhone 14 Pro gifted by my wife. We are booked online from here Power Store located on Denmark. And today is a delivery date. Yesterday we are receiving the message. See here in the screen. So now I went to the Power Store. After I exit my house, I need to little walk around 350 meters. Then I take bus. Then I take train. Exit, pick the phone and celebrate. Now I am here in Olowa bus stop, the Olowa Centrum. My bus is coming here 200s after 9 minutes. So I am waiting. My bus are coming in this direction and the Power Store is in this direction. So around just only 4 kilometers. I take this bus and went Power Store located on Copenhagen, Olowa, Harlev. Thank you. आप कहीं भी बैठ लो, पीछे बैठ, पीछे, पीछे। नहीं वो 5 मिनट, वो 5 मिनट ड्राइविंग पर ये है ना, वो सबसे अच्छा लगा मुझे। Here is the Power Store. My mobile is here and the Power Store located on Harlev. The mall name is a Big Shopping Center. So almost all big brands are available here, especially almost of my all electronic gadget I buy from Power Store. The original store belongs in Denmark and it's very affordable price they are selling all electronic gadget.
आज फिर से मैसेज आया था
उनका, लेकर जाओ बोले।
Initial curiosity before buying the iPhone, getting his original packet. Look at his expressions.
I am so happy.
He's so curious. Look, he's trying to hide his expression.
I am waiting of my iPhone 14. So look at this. My iPhone is 14 and I received the token number 7. 7 into 2 is 14. Look at this, the iPhone 14 Pro. So now I collect this phone actually. They are providing here. Pro Max. So my current phone is like 13 Pro Max. Height are same. Pricing is very nice.
But decide me on price can be.
See the Pro Max price, 11,489. The Pro Max price. As Indian currency, the price is 1,20,000 INR. This is a 14.
तूने मेरे को अचानक से मेरे को याद आया, तूने मेरे को वो लेज़र ऑपरेशन को 20,000 करोड़ में दिए नहीं थे ना था?
ऐसा यहाँ से शूटिंग करना. Clarity is amazing. Cinematic mode also available here. So this is cinematic mode. Video and the photo. See the Pro. Pro also cinematic mode is available. And this is the 14. I thought this one is really nice. Just today I purchased iPhone 14 Pro, and this phone price is 10,449, and this phone specially gifted by my wife. So she just purchased this phone for me, and this is surprise for me actually. I have no idea. She pre-booked all. She just told me early in the morning, you can come with me in Power Store. I come here, and this is surprise of me, and next video comes here in unboxing of 14 Pro. So thank you so much.
और ऐसे बता ना सामने